mother always told me, the codeine, and goddamn it, you little motherfucker, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, then don't say nothing. Fuck that shit, bitch, eat a motherfucking dick. Chew on a brick and lick a million motherfucking cocks per second. I'd rather put out a motherfucking gospel record. I'd rather be a pussy wet bitch, eat pussy and have pussy lips glued to my face with a clit ring in my nose, then quit bringing my flows. Quit giving me my ammo. Can't you see why I'm so mean? If y'all leave me alone, this wouldn't be my MO. I wouldn't have to go eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a homo by his toe. Man, I don't know no more. Am I the only fucking one who's normal anymore?
Yeah.
There's really nothing else to say. I can't explain it.
I think my dad's gone crazy.
A little help from Haley Jade, won't you tell him maybe?
I think my dad's gone crazy.
There's nothing you could do or say that could ever change.